Karon last topic for the math A, laws of exponents. Naatay pila ka buok? 8 ka buok laws sa exponents. But first, we're going to talk about the product rule. Ang product rule is when the same base sa same exponent is imo siya i-add. Para sana x raised to the power of 5 times x raised to the power of 3. So since nag-follow siya product rule, may mo siya 5 plus 3. So x is raised to the power of 8. Di lang magdibugan na kay verb. Kay if yung nakita is same ang iyang variable, which is kanang x nya naka times, imura na siya i-add, mura na. Next is the quotient rule. Ang quotient rule is parehas siya sa product rule pero i-minus. Subtract the exponent with the same base. Bali same base ang x raised to the power of 5 over x squared. Pwede siya ma-fraction. Parehas na po siya sa x raised to the power of 5 divided by x squared. Yung subtract, add. So 5 minus 2, 3. Ano lang, easy lang. Quotient rule is imura a minus ang same nga base. Next is power of power rule. This is the exponent outside multiplied by the exponential inside. O, kani. If na exponent ang ay namon yun exponent tanan variable sulod nya, if gitimes pag yun siya sa gawas, ang tawagan na kay, di ba, power of power rule. Muna milhanan power of power rule if duha ang gitimes. Ang power of power rule is imo na siya i-times, dili siya i-add. Power of power rule, 2 times 3 is equals to 6. So z is raised to the power of 6. Next is power of product rule. Diba? Yun ang product rule is time ay naka-plus. Karon, power of product rule, it distribute the exponent outside to each variable inside. Here ang example is x, the cube of x times y. Since ang power of product rule is i-distribute ang gi-raise or gi-power sa gawas, imo i-distribute sa sulod. So nahimo siya og x cube og y cube. Next is power of quotient rule. Kani. Ang power of quotient rule is mura gihapon i-distribute ang power nga nasa gawas pero naka-quotient rule siya, naka-divide siya. Para sa nyo, the exponent outside is distributed to the numerator and denominator. Example, pila na. Z, the cube of z over y. Ang z nahimog z cube, ang y nahimog y cube. Ano lang. Next is zero exponent rule. Anything with an exponent of 0 results to 1. Para sa ana, x, y, z raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. Sama ni above. Other is ABCDE over BWXYZ is raised to the power 0 will turn to 1. Kalimot ko sa explanation nga nung mahimog 1. Anong mahimog 1, pero basta if naka-raise og 0, ang answer ana is 0 exponential rule, which is 1 ang answer. 1 always ang answer if naka-raise to 0. Next is negative exponent rule. When exponent is negative, reciprocate it and make the negative exponent positive. Parehas aning given, the negative squared the square ay the negative square of k, imo siya, but since negative man, bawal man ang negative, so imo i-turn to positive. Di ba nanay, imaginary k over 1, k is the power of negative 2 over 1. Ang kanang 1 imaginary ra na siya nya. Karon to make it positive, imo ra siya i-reciprocate ang number, dili ang feelings niya. Next, di ba, yung pag-reciprocate, ang numerator may mag-denominator, ang denominator matog numerator. O kani here, ang numerator nahimog denominator, k squared, ang 1 nahimog numerator. Wala lang, easy lang. The last is fraction exponent rule, the same as exponential. Parehas ra sa akong gi topic gaina, kato naka radical form to exponential form. Y raised to the power of x over n, di man siya makita, so y x over n. Kani exponential form, radical form. Nya if ang given is only this, ato i-change to exponential form. Hala, di na mawagi sponsor. Di ba sa to pahimog exponential form, unahon ng radical, which is ang y. Next is ang exponent, ang denominator is the index, x over n. Di ba? Check lang, parehas ra siya. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on the notification for more videos. Thank you.